Hello, welcome to the channel. Just going to show you a really quick way, easy way to buff your shoes. Make your shoes look nice and polished and shine higher. It's a higher shine than you could get by hand with the hand buffing tool. You don't want to use that anymore. You simply get this item from, you can get this from Amazon, you can get this from Wish. I'll put some links below in the description below. But it's simply a hook and loop fabric polisher you use on your cordless drill. Put that in there, and that's it. I've polished these shoes before, cleaned them up a little bit with some shoe polish, some quickie shoe polish, but I just want to get the buff on. Once again, you want to be careful. It may be beneficial to put your drill on a lower setting. You don't want it too high, but based on your comfort, you can do that. The great thing about this method is you can do it while you have your shoe on. The other reason this works really well, the other type of shoe this works best on also are high boots. So just get the tool, put it in your drill, get your arm in your boot, and you're able to come all the way up here and just buff the leather rather easily. Works well for high boots, and in many cases you don't have to even use your shoe polish. This is a shoe that's been kind of stored away for a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead. It's got some dust on it. I'm just gonna do this buffer here, buff off that dust. There you have it, I'm ready to go. The other thing that's helpful is this tool works for anything that you have to polish. So if you're polishing, your chrome in your sink, around your sink, works really well. So I highly recommend it. I'll put a link down to the description below. I don't like the videos to be too long. I know you guys gotta get going. Thanks so much. Take care.